Tracfone offers multiple ways to refill your minutes, data, and texts. The two primary methods are using a refill PIN and auto refill. A refill PIN is a unique code found on physical or digital airtime cards. To use it, log into your Tracfone account on the website or app, go to Add Airtime, enter the PIN, and confirm. Digital PINs can be purchased online for instant activation. Auto Refill is a subscription service where you link a payment method to automatically refill your balance when it reaches a set level. Set this up via the Tracfone app or website by selecting Auto Refill, choosing your frequency, like weekly or monthly, and setting minimums. Auto Refill ensures uninterrupted service and often provides discounts. To set it up, go to the Tracfone app or website, select Auto Refill, link your payment method, set your balance threshold, and choose your refill frequency. Keeping track of your Tracfone balance is crucial for uninterrupted service. You can check your balance via the Tracfone app, website, or by dialing *77. Real-time updates are sent via SMS or email after refills. Your balance includes expiration dates for unused minutes. When using refill PINs, ensure the PIN is compatible with Tracfone, which is Verizon compatible. For auto refill, monitor your account to avoid unexpected charges. Consider setting dynamic pricing thresholds based on your usage patterns to avoid overspending. Note that Tracfone has faced scrutiny over data privacy in auto refill subscriptions, so ensure you have provided opt-in consent. Remember that by 2025, auto refills account for 40% of Tracfone users, so you are not alone.